on the Nifty. But let's focus on the broader markets then. Deepak Nitrite, that's rallying in trade, better than expected. Fourth quarter, margins expand, and also a couple of the divisions did very, very well. Upasana joins us to fill us in with a quick analysis. Upasana?
Well, it was a strong beat versus the street estimates. Now, growth was mainly driven by company's key segment, that is phenolics segment, which witnessed volume improvement and revenue saw an uptick of 5% and margins also improved by 150 basis points at 15.6% on a YoY basis. Now, coming to the consolidated numbers, revenue saw an uptick of 2%, EBITDA saw an uptick of 5%, EBITDA margins saw an uptick of 30 basis points at 14.5%, while the street was working with a number of somewhere around 9.7. PAT was impacted down about 20%, and company has indicated that the PAT remained impacted because of the higher input cost and also the performance of the agrochemical segment. Now, coming to the con call highlights, the company has given a upbeat commentary. FY25 was a challenging year for chemical industry, but coming to the domestic demand, company has highlighted that the domestic demand showed early signs of recovery. Company has also expanded its product portfolio and has secured long-term contract is what they have highlighted. Now, company is confident of profit bouncing back to normalcy in FY26 after the profits being impacted in last couple of quarters is what they have said. Now, demand for dyes and pigments also have improved after Q3 is what they have said, while agrochemical demand continues to remain subdued and company expects this trend to continue for some more quarters. Now, company anticipates market conditions, it will improve coupled with softening of input prices, which will certainly aid margin trajectory from here on is what they have said, but they haven't put an exact number to this. Now, Vadodara R&D facility of 1100 crore is set to be commissioned in Q2 FY25 is what they have highlighted, and they've also said that the nitric acid facility will be commissioned either by end of Q1 or at the start of Q2. Now, coming to the guidance, company remains confident and optimistic about growth in FY26. It has given a positive and a strong outlook for FY26 with several projects which are set to commission in Q1 and Q2 as highlighted earlier. So overall, good set of numbers and commentary remains also quite upbeat.
Thank you very much for that. By the way, there are going to be quite a few earnings which come out today.